presentation. Congratulations and thank you little kids for that wonderful Christmas presentation.
Galing-galing ikaw!
Prepare ka mga kids. Please, prepare din ba kayo?
Lapit lang sa tape, lapit lang sa chair, lapit lang sa chair.
Okay, better luck next time, ate.
Come give me something I can feel.
Layo na. Oh, lapit tayo ka doon, lapit lang sa chair.
Wala pa! Wala pa! Wala pa! Nagdalagan siya kay Mami. Hindi sa bangko. Okay. Ilan pa ang ilang teachers? Meron pa tayong...
Yes na.
In fairness, hindi nagpatalo yung dalawang girls, ha? Hindi naman na...
Lapit lang sa ano. Layo na siya.
Bawas na tayo ng isa! Hindi nagpatalo yung dalawang girls. Ayan. Bawas na ulit tayo ng isa. Let's go!
Lapit na ikaw! Ano galing siya?
Okay, better now. Let's dance! Oh, may ma-out pa ba yan? Alam ko walang ma-out yan kasi malapad pa masyado yung papel. Okay, let's fold it in half mga mommies and daddies! Alam. One, two, three, four, five. Wala pa teachers? Wala pa. Let's fold it in half, ladies and gentlemen. Let's count. Let's count kagad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, everybody safe. Grabe. Meron pa.
Kargahin mo na siya. Kargahin mo. Kargahin mo.
Oy! Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, may mga out ata teachers. Pakiikot ng ating mga parents. Saan yung mga out natin? Wala. Oh. 10 counts ito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, may na-out na. Teacher, nagbawas na tayo ng tao, teacher. Teachers, paki-check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15! Survive pa, sir! Survive pa yun, sir! Grabe! Another gift for Maddox.
Go! What's that?
Sa bag.
Whoa, what's that? What's that? What's that? Amazing.
Ayan, tuwang-tuwa na naman ang ating mga kids sa mga beautiful toys and presents galing sa ating mga parents.
Mag-makeup na ikaw?
Our parents na
Paano mag-makeup, eh? Paano?
mga guests sa ating mga teachers. Pag-friends ko naman, maraming salamat po. Happy as well this Christmas season.
Wait lang.
Wow! Babe, can I see your face, babe?
Wait, that's for the lips. This is for the lips.
Let
This
us
is
bow
for
down
the
our
eyes.
hearts in prayer.
Here's something. That's the mirrors. Ayan o, go. That's for the face.
Can I see your face, babe? Smile, babe, smile. Pretty, babe, pretty, babe, pretty. Okay, can I see, babe? Pretty na, babe?
Wala pa daw.
Finish na. Okay na, pretty na. Wow, ganda na siya.
Ayun na. Enjoy your early dinner.
Finish na, okay na. Smile, babe, smile ka, daddy.